Tired of complex service call pricing? BidPak makes it simple. Here is your secret weapon for handling every service call with speed and guaranteed profit. We'll start by launching a new service project, add a customer, and select a flat rate price book template. This immediately sets you up for your job to be organized and ready to price. Add your project name and any internal notes, verify the address, and hit submit when you're ready to proceed to the takeoff. Your template simplifies the takeoff. Instead of building from scratch, you get to select preset work packages that are relevant to this call, as we're doing here. Let's add one more, circuit breakers. Now, as you scroll through, find the specific task as it relates to your project, understanding that you can simply edit the quantity here for your takeoff, and all of our Pricebook 140 plus common tasks have a preset labor and material costs. You can review this by clicking on the hyperlink and you'll notice the material and the labor rate as it applies to your company. Once you have completed this, you'll understand that BidPak has already created a professional looking proposal that applies your fully burdened labor rate, material margin, and profit to instantly determine the final sales price for your customer. Once you have a chance to review it, submit it. The best part is, BidPak also does this for your invoice. A seamless process means you can quote, get approval, perform the work, and get paid all on the same visit. BidPak creates your ready-to-go invoice complete with the option to set due dates and track work package completion. Send it, and while you're in the field, let's say they went ahead and paid you with a check. You can go ahead and jump back in and manually update how this was paid. Now you're ready to go. In addition to our invoice, let's show you what it looks like to receive some of our messaging. Since our flat rate price book is cloud-based, you can access and quote all of this directly from your phone or tablet standing right in front of your customer. Once paid, marking the invoice as complete as I just showed you on that last step. For the final step, you can even send, as we're showing here on the right, a customer review request. Stop guessing, start profiting on every call. Log into BidPak and try the flat rate price book today. This is your BidPak core team. We're here for you. Please save our contact information and reach out anytime. Thank you for being the best part of BidPak. We're built by a master electrician for electricians, and we can't wait to see your business grow with us. Let's get bidding.